Stage your home for success. Staging your home is an art that can transform a space and help buyers see its full potential. When a buyer walks into a staged home, they can picture themselves living there, which is a key step in the decision-making process. Start by decluttering every room to create a sense of space and organization. Remove personal items like family photos and collections, as these can distract buyers from envisioning their own life in the home. The living room should feel like a cozy gathering space. Arrange furniture to highlight functionality and flow, and use neutral decor to appeal to a broad audience. In the kitchen, clear countertops and add a simple bowl of fruit or a vase of fresh flowers for a touch of warmth. Bathrooms benefit from soft, fluffy towels and sparkling clean fixtures. Bedrooms should feel serene and inviting with crisp linens and minimal furniture. The goal is to highlight the best features of each space while keeping the overall look clean and welcoming. Lighting can make or break the atmosphere. Open blinds and curtains to let in natural light, and consider adding floor or table lamps in darker corners to brighten the space. Mirrors are another great tool for creating the illusion of more space while adding a touch of elegance. Pay attention to scents as well. Fresh-baked cookies, a subtle candle, or even a lightly scented air freshener can evoke a homey atmosphere without overwhelming the senses. Professional staging services can elevate your home to a new level, but a DIY approach can be equally effective with some thoughtful effort. Whether you invest in new decor or simply rearrange existing furniture, the aim is to make your home shine. A well-staged home is more likely to leave a lasting impression, leading to faster and often higher offers.